And if you guys remember, I like to match the outside first. Sarah, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review video on a very new product that I discovered. I've known about the magnetic lashes with the magnetic liner for a long time, but I just discovered that Ardell actually makes a set. Eyeliner does as well, but I decided that I wanted to try the Ardell set just because the Ardell one actually comes with demi wispy lashes, which is like one of my favorites. But I love false lashes. I just feel like they really finish off an eye look for any makeup look. And honestly, if there is an easier way to put them on and keep them on, then I'm all for it. So definitely looking forward to giving these a try. I'm actually gonna be shooting today, so I'll go ahead and wear them all day and let you guys know my thoughts at the end of it, especially to say if the stickiness of it or whatever wears out at a certain point. And then also too, I will be changing, taking clothes on and off. So we'll see how well it stands up to that. But as always, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're new, please consider subscribing and turning your notifications on if you like my content. That way you don't miss a beat from me. I do post vlogs, beauty, and fashion content 3 times a week here on this channel, so make sure to hit that red button below, turn it gray, and of course follow me on social media. All of my handles are linked down below, and we'll go ahead and jump right into this review. So I have a full face of makeup on. I finished off my whole face except for like my lips for some reason. I just got lazy, and then my eyeliner and lashes obviously. So in this Ardell set, you do get the magnetic gel liner. It does come in black, which is perfect. This makes me a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit picky with my gel liners, and also too, I have been on a like regular pen liner kick for a little while, so it's gonna be weird switching back to gel, but totally fine. And then it comes with a brush, which honestly, I don't think that I'm gonna use. I don't really like how short it is. I prefer to have a lot more control. So I will be going in with my e.l.f. brush. This is a brow brush. I think it's the Precision Brow Brush, and it's in 203, but I like to use it as a liner brush. I get a lot of control with this one. And then it comes with a pair of magnetic demi wispies. So one thing right off the bat that makes me really nervous is because, I'm not sure if you guys can see very well, but because the magnets are on the actual ends of these lashes, and then there's 2 more in the middle, there's 4 total, but because the magnets are at the end, I don't think that I can trim these. Oh, actually, I might be able to trim these. So I think I will trim them so that it's just like 3 magnets long. That'll probably fit my eye better. But just be aware, if you are someone that usually only trims off like the tiniest bit on your lash, you probably can't do it with these. You need to commit to either doing the full strip or commit to the next shortest magnet location. So that is like one drawback I'm seeing right away, but I think going to the 3rd magnet will be fine for me. But the directions on these are: 1, apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Okay, so 2 coats. Good to know, I'm glad I read that. And then place the magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet. Okay, and gently press down to secure. Okay, so you probably have to work one eye at a time here because you can't let the gel liner dry too much. And then removal is easy. Just gently peel off the strip, and then the gel liner comes off with an oil-based makeup remover. But yeah, that was basically the instructions on the box. So let's go ahead and open her up. And one thing that I've been thinking is probably a really, really good benefit for using magnetic lashes with the magnetic gel liner is that like if your lash moves or comes off, you don't have to go find glue and re-glue it and everything. In theory, if it's magnetic, it should just stick back on, although it does say it needs to be wet. So I mean, we'll see how it goes, but maybe I'll just bring the gel liner with me throughout the day just in case. So there is the packaging inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out the gel liner. So not a lot comes in this, just FYI. You guys can see that's like mainly all clear glass, and then right up there is where the bottom of the gel liner starts. Yeah, it's not a lot of product, just beware, like that's really, really tiny. So you're definitely getting less than you would from a regular gel liner. And oh, just to let you guys know too, so it does say it's 0.07 ounces of liner. And then just FYI, this whole kit was $13.99 at Ulta, I believe. Like I said, there was an Eyeliner kit, which I am hoping to try next, depending on how this one goes. And that one I think is $1 more. I think it's like $14.99. for the Eyeliner one. But the Eyeliner set just has like heavier lashes. They didn't have anything that was more natural like the Ardell ones did, which was the main reason why I did this. Then it was like, you know, a plus that it was cheaper. But so I went ahead and I trimmed the lashes. Like I said, it's usually 4 magnets long. I put it down to 3 magnets long. This feels so weird. I feel like I need to start putting glue on it, but like I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the gel liner. And I did tight line my eyes, but that's all I've done. So I actually still need to do mascara and stuff, but okay. So this gel liner is really soft. And then I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit thinner than most gel formulas, which doesn't surprise me since it says you do need to do it while it's wet. And I'm gonna grab a mirror really quick, just a little compact mirror, because that's the easiest way for me to put my lashes on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to draw on a thin wing. You guys know how it goes. You always have the intention of doing a thin wing, and then it just ends up thicker and thicker. So the liner, I will say, is really easy to work with. It does apply really, really smoothly. I haven't used gel liner in so long. I'm so out of practice. So my theory is that I'm just gonna kind of use like the first layer to like lay down the shape that I want. And then go in with the second layer, but keep the second layer much closer to my lash line. So I don't want to mess up the shape once I make it. So while that's wet, I feel like I'm on such a time crunch right now. Gonna go ahead and pick this up. Oh shoot, I didn't do mascara. Okay, let's wait a second. And you know what? I'm looking right now. The lash is sticking to my metal tweezers, so I'm like, will it come off onto the eyeliner? God, I hope so. Maybe I just need to grab it, yeah, further back on the lash. So grab it further back on the lash, or else if you grab too close, the magnets are gonna stick to your tweezers. But I don't know why I feel so nervous right now. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh my God, that sticks on so easily. Oh, and then you can replace it. Yeah, just be careful if you're working with metal tweezers. The magnets will try to get onto your tweezers, so just be aware. Oh my God. That went on, honestly, so easily. Now, the difference here than the glue one, though, is I feel like I'm not able to fluff them up as much as I can with, like, glue. So it's not staying, it keeps falling, but that was really, really easy application. Like super, super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and draw on the other one. I almost wonder, okay, for this one, what I'm actually gonna do, God, I hope this doesn't look too uneven. I'm gonna go in with my regular liner and draw on the shape, then go in with a couple of layers on that. Like, let's see how that works. Okay, the wings are definitely sisters, not twins, but that's fine. I'm actually gonna refine this wing. My pen, perfect, okay. So I've drawn on the wing with my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, and now I'm just gonna go over the part closest to the lash with a little bit of this gel liner. That's one layer, and then it says to do 2 layers. It seems like it doesn't really get clumpy or anything when you do multiple layers, so you can totally, looks like, start with your regular liner if you're not like a huge gel liner fan. Then go in with this over it near the lash line. Let's go ahead and zoom, you guys. Throw on some mascara to blend. Taking my tweezers, gonna hold the lash a little bit further out than I usually do. And if you guys remember, I like to match the outside first. Oh my God, that's so easy. Uh-oh. Except don't turn it. And it's on. Hell, I don't even think that you really need tweezers. I think the tweezers might just be getting in my way. Crap, I had liner on my hand. I see that. Damn. That's fine. We'll clean that up with concealer in a second, but then just push it up gently. So just a heads up, the liner does take like a little second or two to dry. That's what got on my hand, so just be aware. Patch that up. But honestly, so easy. I'm blown away. If these last really well throughout the day, honest to God, may switch to these because this was so easy to put on. I have one that's not laying correctly. There we go. Oh, and it's so easy to move around if you like have it in the wrong spot. Oh my God. These, I cannot say it enough. These were so freaking easy to put on. Like, I am so impressed right now. Okay, well then, I need to put on some lipstick because this is looking a little bit scary. Going in with Jeffree Star Gemini, just really quick. Okay, much better. My lips were looking a little bit scary, but honestly, first impression, this was so easy to use. So easy. If you are a beginner with false lashes, I highly suggest getting this set. It's honestly foolproof. It's really easy. I love this. I think that they look great. I've noticed like if you let it dry just like a little bit, then you can push your lashes up and kind of fluff them up. So just give it like a few seconds and then you definitely can push them up because when you first put them on, they're gonna be angled a little bit down. But yeah, I'm just like totally blown away. And then the other thing that you can do is you can just get the pack with like the liner and the lashes once, and then Ardell has other magnetic lashes, so you don't have to necessarily buy a new liner every single time. So that's really nice and really easy. But oh my God, I'm honestly so excited about this, and I realize I'm missing lower lash mascara. Hold please. But yeah, so for application, I give this like a 10 out of 10. Super good, but we'll see about longevity and just like overall quality of wear throughout the day. I will also say too, these are really comfortable. I don't feel the magnets on my eye. They don't feel heavy. They feel very light. Actually, I barely even feel them. So if you're also someone who doesn't like the feeling of glue on your eyelids, this could be a really good one. But yeah, I'm gonna get going to shooting and then check in with you guys later after I'm done shooting for an outro and let you guys know how these did. Alright guys, so it is now the end of the day and I just wanted to let you guys know how these lashes performed. So this one stayed on, this one got lost, so it was an incredibly windy day. I think we had like 15-mile-per-hour winds at one point, so it flew off. It like literally blew off. And this was the side where I used my own liner, then went over it with the other one, so it seems like it's stronger if you use just the magnetic liner. But even though it blew off, I actually was able to save it, and I actually was able to reapply it. It did re-stick, but I think by then the connection had just been broken too much, and so at some point when I was changing, it fell off. So I've lost this one. This one stayed on strong. This one was good. So I think if you are going to be wearing these for something where you have a lot of activity and stuff like that, you definitely need to make sure to mainly use the gel liner that it comes with. But overall, even though this blew off and I lost it, I would recommend these. I would just say, like I said, make sure that you fully use the liner that it comes with, and also these are definitely better for a day where you don't really have like a ton going on. You know, you're just maybe going to an event or something like that, not a day where you have to like change and like be pulling your clothing on and off over your face a bunch of times. I think that also weakened it. And also too, if you happen to know if it's going to be a windy day, I wouldn't suggest wearing these. I would just use regular glue. That's a lot stronger. But overall, I love them. I will definitely be repurchasing and replacing this one and probably getting another pair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.